Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Middle Pet Script. This innovative tool is designed to significantly enhance your digital pet experience, offering a streamlined approach to managing and interacting with your virtual companions. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced customization, ensuring you can fully leverage its capabilities. Get ready to discover how this script can transform your daily routines with your beloved digital pets, making every interaction more efficient and enjoyable. Let's dive in and unlock its full potential together. To begin, let's get your Middle Pet Script up and running smoothly. First, make sure your environment meets the necessary specifications for optimal performance. Then, you'll want to download the script from its trusted source and follow the straightforward installation instructions. Once installed, the initial setup involves configuring a few key parameters, like connecting it to your preferred digital pet application. This foundational step is crucial for ensuring the script integrates seamlessly and operates effectively within your existing setup. Now, let's delve into the exciting features and customization options available with Middle Pet Script. You'll find powerful tools for automating routine tasks, like scheduling feeds and playtime, freeing up your valuable time. The script also offers extensive customization, allowing you to tailor its behavior to perfectly suit your individual digital pet's personality and your personal interaction style. Experiment with different settings to create a truly unique and responsive experience for both you and your virtual friend. To ensure you have the best experience with Middle Pet Script, here are some valuable tips and solutions for common issues. Always remember to back up your custom settings regularly to prevent any loss of progress. If you encounter a minor glitch, a quick restart or checking the frequently asked questions section often resolves it. Staying updated with the latest versions will also provide access to new functionalities and enhance stability. We're here to help you make the most of your digital pet journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.